Hi guys, welcome back. I have another AliExpress perfume that I want to go over with you guys. It is a good one. It's Oakcha. Open it. It's the watermelon. And this one, I'm going to give you the scent notes real quick and what I paid for it. It was $12.43. And Oakcha is a lot more expensive than that. This is the watermelon jam. It's $26 on Amazon. Says a vibrant and refreshing fragrance highlighting juicy watermelon with a sweet, playful, and uplifting fruity character. Bright, clean, and youthful layers, opens with fresh watermelon and crisp fruits. Transitions into soft floral and fruity notes and settles into creamy woods and gentle musk. Lasts over 8 hours without feeling heavy. Ideal for summer and daily wear. This one you might want to let macerate too. I've already sprayed it out, but I'm going to spray it again. So here's the box it comes in. Oakcha watermelon jam. And here's the bottle. And it smells like alcohol at the first spray. And then on the dry down, smells like a watermelon. If you want to smell like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, definitely pick this up. And I'm going to pair it with the new watermelon from Victoria's Secret's Pink that they just came out with. And I bought the whole collection and I'll review it as soon as it comes in the mail. But this, oh yeah, that's watermelon. It's watermelon Jolly Rancher for sure. It's not as mature. My daily wear is stuff like this, you know, especially for summer days. Like coconut and watermelon and tropicals. That's what I want to smell like in the summer days. Now, summer nights is all about the panache, for sure. Date nights. Oh my God, it smells so good. But anyway, thank you guys for being here for that. Definitely check out AliExpress because I literally paid half for this. And it is legitimate. And thank you guys for being here so very much. Thank you for just believing in me, taking your time to watch my videos, and loving me because I love you back. And be sure of that. Thank you guys for everything, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.